Good afternoon, traders, and Assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I analyze my currency pairs. So, guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. So let's start our analysis. So I'm gonna show you the analysis, what currency pairs I will trade and how I analyze those pairs. As you can see, there's a lot of things on my computer screen is going on. So that's the first red line is my weekly resistance line, that's the monthly resistance, and that's daily support. So I'm gonna explain you how those work in this video. I'm gonna explain you in further. So guys, let's start our analysis. Let's start with AUD So yeah, that's the chart of AUD that's the daily chart of AUD. What I'm expecting from that pair is, as you can see, let me zoom out. As you can see, it's already touched one of my key resistance level, and it's touched it and it will come down. So what I'm expecting this pair in future, I'm just looking for this kind of moment. So I'm just expecting to come this pair to come at least this level or this level. When it's gonna come on that, I'm gonna save this, but we have to have a look on that time, what's the moving average was saying on that time, and what's the price action on that time. Because if it will break out, the clear breakout, like from here, if this pair is come like that, so I will wait for the cross out. So if it break this my resistance, so I'm expecting this pair to go up at least this level, then I'm gonna looking for this pair. But for now what I'm expecting from this pair is it will touch on this of my resistance and then it's gonna be fall. So let's see what happened when the market open. So let's move to another pair, that is Australian AUD. So it's AUD USD. So yeah, as you can see guys, this pair is already touched my key resistance level. So I have three resistance on this pair. This is the daily chart of Australian USD. So it's touched my daily resistance level and it start falling. So what I'm expecting this pair, so I'm just waiting for this thing. So I will wait for the cross out. So when it will be crossed and it will be going. So what I'm expecting from Australian USD, it will go down. Guys, I'm just gonna tell you right now here, this is not a signal, that's what I am thinking about the market, but I want to explain you, I'm not the one who is running the market. Alright, so if you need signal, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you can join us on, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, so you will get free signals over there as well. So guys, let's move to another pair, is Australian CHF, AUD. So again, on last working day of the trading, is touch our this key resistance level. These are our three resistance of that pair: a monthly resistance, weekly resistance, and daily resistance. So as you can see, when it's touched to my this resistance level, it start falling. So if it will come down to this level, so we will have a look, we have to buy here or not. If we break out from this support, because as you can see, this is my daily support, if that pair break this support, so what I'm expecting this pair to come on this level and then I'm gonna buy, or maybe it will come here and then it's gonna be, we're gonna buy and it will go up there. So guys, so I'm telling you again, this is not a signal, that's my point of view, what I'm looking for this pair in the chart. So let's move our next pair, that is Australian NZD. Yeah, let me zoom out. Yeah, the AUD NZD is, as you can see, 2 days, that's the daily chart, 2 days ago is touch our one of resistance and then it start falling. It's already break our daily support. So what I'm expecting this pair to come down at least this level, but this is not going to happen in 1 day and 2 days, it will take time. So all the NZD pair, like GBP NZD, Euro NZD, AUD NZD, I'm expecting from that coming week it will come down, but we have to see the price action from where we have to enter in the market. So from Australian NZD, I'm expecting it will go down. Same with the CAD pairs, as you can see, let me zoom in. Yeah, AUD CAD is touch our resistance level. One of this resistance, one of this resistance. When it's touched, it will start falling. So whenever it will break this support level, so what I'm expecting from AUD CAD to go down on this level or maybe on this level. So what I'm expecting from AUD CAD, it will go down and it will go down a lot. Some of the guys who are in my paid channel who is copying my trades, they knew we have one trade running on Australian CAD as well. So what I'm expecting from Australian CAD, it will go down. Let's move to our next pair, that is Euro JPY. The members who was in my paid group, they knew about that pair. We placed this trade from our this support level and we catch this move on last Thursday. So as you can see here, it's already touched by this resistance level by its break, but when the market close, it will come down to again, and now it's down from that resistance level. So what I'm expecting this pair to come down at least this level, then I'm gonna buy again. Or if they break out this support, then I will wait for my daily support and then I'm gonna buy, because I'm expecting Euro JPY to go up. So let's see what happened from the upcoming market. Let's see what happened next week, how market is gonna react. And that's another pair of Euro USD. We bought this pair last week as well. We have the guys who is following me on my copy trading system, they book profit on that. So it's already break one of our monthly support levels. So what I'm expecting this pair, this movement from next week, and I will wait for this moment and then when it will break out. So I'm expecting this pair to go up. Euro USD, I'm expecting go up at least of this level or this level. That's two of my key resistance levels. So when it will come here, I'm gonna sell, or if it will come down to at least my this monthly support level, I will see the price action and then I'm gonna buy. Guys, I'm gonna tell you again, this is not a signal, that's my analysis, what I am expecting this pair for upcoming weeks. So guys, if you need a signals, please there's a link in the description so you can join our Telegram channel, so you will be get proper entry points with stop losses and we take profit. So let's move to the Euro GBP. So let me zoom out. Yeah, Euro GBP is also going up last Friday. As you can see, we placed this trade on our when it come to our daily support level. So what I will have a look when it will touch to my this resistance level. So I will see the price action. Maybe I'm gonna sell it from here. As you can see, the previous one, when it touch the level, it will come down. So what I'm expecting, this is will touch down here and then it will go up. So in the long term, I'm expecting Euro GBP to go up, but we have to see how it's gonna react on the upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, that is Euro AUD. Yeah, so if I zoom out this chart, Euro AUD already touched one of the high price of this life, as you can see, but now it is coming on the downtrend. So what happened that some of the guys who are in my paid group or who are following me, you guys know, when it's touched to our this daily support level, we took this buy trade. So it's already break our daily resistance and it's already break our support. So what I'm expecting this pair to this moment. So because for the long term, what I mean about the long term, in 1 month period time or 2 months or more than that, I'm expecting a Euro AUD to go down. And when I'm saying that is it will go down and it will fall a lot. As you can see, what I'm expecting this pair to at least 159. I'm expecting this pair to come at least my monthly support, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. So for the long term, I'm expecting Euro AUD to go down, but let's see. That's a market. Let's see how it's gonna be. Euro chef, I am a big fan of buying of the Euro chef. I am not selling Euro chef. If you are selling Euro chefs, though, I'm just gonna say good luck to you guys, because the people who are following me, who are copying me, or who was following my signals, so I am just buying Euro chef. So whenever it will come back to this level, I buy. I got the confirmation here to sell, but I didn't sell it from here because there is a reason. I'm gonna show you why. As you can see, the Euro chef is also one of his lifetime low price. So Euro chef, I'm expecting to go up, and it will go up a lot. So guys, it's my request, if you are trading, you are professional or not, don't sell Euro chef. If you stuck in Euro chef here, it will take years to recover to recover that trade. So please don't stuck on Euro chef. So don't sell it. Whenever you get the chance, whenever you get the confirmation, you will buy it. So let's move to our next pair is Euro NZD. That's again, so in the long term, I'm expecting this pair to go down, but as you can see, last week on Friday is near to our this resistance. So what I'm expecting this pair to come at least this level, then I'm gonna sell. But before I enter in the market, I have to see a lot of things. What's moving average is saying, what is the trend, what's the price action on that time, because if it will break this one of my daily resistance, so then it will go to my monthly, so and that's my weekly resistance. So what I'm expecting, euro New Zealand, it will go down. I'm just waiting to break those two key support level. If that break, if the euro New Zealand break this support level, so what I'm expecting from euro NZD, it will go down a lot, at least 0.64 level, or at least 0.68 level. So from here to that price is about 1000 hit trade. But we if guys, I just want to tell you one more thing. If you are thinking you want to be a long term trader, you have to be patient, because if you want to get big pips, like from one trade 500, 1000, 1500 pips you want to get from one trade, you have to keep the patient. So, and guys, one more thing, always trade with risk and the money management. So EuroCAD again is touch our monthly and weekly resistance. So what I'm expecting EuroCAD to go down, all the pair with the CAD like USD CAD, EuroCAD, GBP CAD, AUD CAD, I'm expecting this pair to go down, but we have to have a look. It will go down for long term, right? With those pairs, if you have a patient to hold the trades, you can easily get 1000 to 800 to 1000 pips, but that's not gonna happen in one day. For getting that amount of pips, you have to wait and you have to be patient. So what I'm expecting from AUD CAD, GBP CAD, NZD CAD, Euro CAD, it will go down, and they will go down a lot, but we are just waiting for the right time. So if you can see the EuroCAD, whenever it break my this support level, it will break clearly. So what the next target of the EuroCAD is 144. Right now is on 155. So what that means is, if you place this trade today, but I'm not gonna say that, do it now. What I'm expecting this pair to go down at least 1000 pips. Yeah, you heard it right, 1000 pips, guys. I'm gonna tell you again, this is not a signal, this is my point of view about these pairs. So if you want proper entry points, stop loss, or take profits, please join my channel. There is a link in the description, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as well. Let's move to our next pair, GBP JPY. The guys who was in my paid group, they knew we took the trade on last Thursday, right? So we have massive movement. We booked about 250 pips. So we placed trade from 132 somewhere near to my this support level, and we, as you can see this green bar, we earned this profit on last Thursday. So what I'm expecting from GBP JPY, As you can see, it touched our resistance level. I sell it on my account only. I didn't provide the signal because it was a bit risky, but I got this book. So what I'm expecting, GBP JPY to come back again this level. This is one of my key support level. So if GBP JPY break that support, that's my daily support. The break for the next target of GBP JPY is my monthly and weekly support. That is 129.50. Is in the area of 129. But if it didn't break that, it will come. I'm gonna buy it from here. So because I'm expecting GBP JPY to go up from here, it's about, if you hold it for long term and it will go according to my analysis, you can easily earn 1500 pips from that pair. But that's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. So what I am expecting from GBP JPY, it will go up, but we have to figure out from where I need to enter it. Let's move to our next pair, that is GBP UST. Yeah, that's the daily chart of GBP USD. As you can see on my computer screen, the trend is down, and that's the trend tracker. So the trend is weak and is down. So what I am let me zoom in. Yeah, so I placed this trade on my account, but it's for a short time because I hardly earn about 20 to 30 pips from that trade, because this is one of my key resistance level. As you can see, whenever it's touched down, it will go down. But what I am expecting from this pair, if it will touch this resistance again, so I'm gonna sell it with this top level. So if it will come down straight here next week, so I'm gonna buy it, because on the long term I'm expecting GBP AUD to go up, and it will go up a lot. So if we bought it from here, so that is also about 1000, because if whenever the day it break this resistance, so the next target of GBP USD is 1.27 or 1.30. so in the long term, what I'm expecting from GBP USD, it will go up. But let's move to our next pair, GBP NZD. As I explained you when I was doing analysis of Euro NZD, what I'm expecting from all NZD like AUD NZD, Euro NZD, GBP NZD, I'm expecting all these NZD pair will go down, because they are already on very up right now. So let's see, from the guys who are following me, they knew we earned very good amount of money from that GBP and ZD pair. Last Friday I bought it. The accounts I was managing, I bought it from 1.2.032 from that area, from one of my, I bought it two prices, one of my weekly support level and one of my daily support level. So as you can see, it's go up again. So what I'm expecting this pair to come at least this resistance level, or this in the long term I'm expecting GBP and ZD go down. So guys, this is not a signal, that's my point of view. That's just my point of view about the GBP and ZD. Let's move to our next pair, GBP CHF. GBP CHF is also a bit down. So what I'm expecting this pair, it will go up. So I'm already in the buy of GBP CHF. So what I'm waiting for, it will come down to at least this level, and then it's gonna be up for longer. This is one of the pair, if you hold it for long term, that pair is also give you about 1000 pips trade, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. GBP CAD, as I told you in my previous analysis as well, I'm expecting GBP CAD to come down. So as you can see, that's the nice trade. I'm just waiting to touch of one of these resistance level. I will have a look the price action, then I'm gonna sell it. So this pair is also give us about 1000 pips easily in the long term. Our next and the key pair is gold. As you can see guys, I'm a big fan of gold nowadays in terms of selling. I'm not buying. I bought one position but I closed it from I took it about 50 pips and I just closed it because I'm expecting gold to go down a lot. I'm expecting at least 2000 pips from that pair, but it's not gonna happen in one day. As you can see, it's touch our support level and it start going up. So I'm just waiting gold to come back again to my this resistance level and then I'm gonna sell it again because I'm expecting gold to come down in future at least 1500. Right now is trade is on 1700. So what's that mean is the gold is will be down at least 2000 pips. But I know some of the guys who don't have that much patience to take those 2000 pips. But if you have a patient, if you want to stay in the market for long time, you have to do the risk management and the money management. So what I'm expecting from gold from next coming week, I'm gonna sell the gold, but I need confirmation to sell the gold. Right now, as you can see, the trend is up. Let's move to USD JPY. The guys who are following me, we bought from here on last Thursday and we get this trade. So if it will break this support level, the next target of USD JPY is 104.50. If it break that level, and the next target is 101. But if we got confirmation from here on this support level, I will wait for this breakout. When I got this breakout, so I'm gonna buy USD JPY because when we buy right now is on 106 something. Well, when I'm gonna buy, what I'm expecting from that pair is it will go down at least 200 pips from here is 109. If we break this, if it break our this daily resistance, then I'm expecting this pair to go up at least 111. So guys, this is just analysis, not a signal. So if you need signal, you can join me on Telegram. You can send me inbox message. I will use New Zealand NZD USD. From now, I'm expecting this pair to come down and then it's gonna be up. But we have to wait for the confirmation. As you can see, it's touch our this key resistance level. Now start coming down. It's already down 70 pips. So what I'm expecting, if it will come down to this level, I'm gonna buy and then it will go up. And we have to see, we have to wait for the confirmation. So how this pair is gonna react. NZD JPY right now is in between, so I'm not expecting anything from NZD JPY because I'm not trading on that pair from last 2 weeks because that pair is moving a bit sideways. So whenever market goes sideways or any pair moves sideways, I will not trade it. As you can see, this already touched my resistance level. That's one of my resistance levels touch here, down, support level, up, and now touch is going down again. But I'm not interested in trading in NZD JPY nowadays. USD CHF, we have to keep eye on that because that's one of the key pair, and what I'm expecting this pair to go up. As you can see, right now is in between, it's moving in between of my support and resistance. What's I'm expecting this pair to come down this level, then it's gonna be up. In future it will go, if you play trade from here, you can easily earn about 500 pips from that pair for long time because I'm expecting USD CHF to go up in future. So let's move to our next pair, that is CHF JPY. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew about that trade. We placed this trade on Thursday and we earned about 250 pips from that trade. It's already break my this resistance, so what I'm expecting to come at least this level again, and then I'm gonna buy because I'm expecting this pair to go up at least 113, 14. So from here it will about 200, 300 pips. So that's not gonna happen in one day. So you will have to keep patient with that. USD CAD, as I can explain you in my previous analysis, so I'm expecting CAD to go down. Why I'm expecting this, I will let me zoom out. As you can see, right now CAD is nearly on my monthly resistance. So what I'm expecting, if it will come up this level, then I'm gonna sell, or it will break up my this monthly, then I'm gonna sell. Because from USD CAD I'm expecting again 1000 pips for long term, and it will be go down. So alright guys, that's the analysis for my upcoming week. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. So thank you very much for watching. If you need any kind of help from me, there is a link in the description, so you can contact me on the Telegram, on Facebook, on Instagram. So I'm happy to answer you. Alright, stay safe. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Cheers. Bye. Allah Hafiz.